leaving home for the coastline, someplace under the sun. I feel my heart for the first time, 'cause now I'm moving on, yeah, I'm moving on.
Hey everyone, this is the Volkswagen bus that I'm working on. It's a 73. It's got a 78 engine. It's 1800 single carb and it runs pretty well. A lot of what I'm working on at this point is cosmetic, and I've gotten rid of most of the rust. I've still got some minor rust, but it's take careable. And I've used some Rust-Oleum paint. I just finished working on the panels. Now I need to install them and finish the insulation and plastic sheeting before I put them in. And let's check out the bus.
I'll be using this polyurethane semi-clear gloss, and it'll be spun up a couple times and go onto these panels. These are the cutout and sanded down panels, and I will be painting them today with a clear coat on both sides. Got plastic lining inside of here before the panel goes on it. This is the interior panel, one bolt here, cutouts for the door and window. Here's the current state of my engine. This is the Bosch ignition coil, which I put in a couple weeks ago. Here's some spark plugs, breather box. Right back here. I don't know a ton of what these things are called, but I know this area is where you put the oil in. And there's timing belt, which is a Y belt, which I need to get a spare of. This is a piece that I got to put over it. You're supposed to have that on there. Ooh, and this foam stuff I put on a while back because it prevents air from flowing from the bottom of the engine to the top, because it's supposed to be separated to keep stuff from being like shot up in here and messing with the engine. So that's good. And there's of course the battery back here. So right now I am tracing out with paper towels the dimensions of the floor mat, so that way I can put them into the floor mat with all the holes and areas where it needs to be cut into before I put it in, and it'll have a nice glove-like fit. Essentially what we're doing here is we're putting down paper towels using a typical blue tape with a blue pen, and we are tracing out where the mat's actually going to go, so that way we can cut it exactly. And yeah, it'll have a nice fit around the steering, around the gas, brakes, shifter, all of that. And hopefully it'll line up well. Here is the tracing that I'm using to cut out the mat for the front. So I finally installed this new mat that I cut out. The material is pretty good. The cuts are not perfect, but then again, I didn't measure like super duper accurately, and I didn't expect them to be. Like for instance, I gave more room around the pedal and the shifter, just to make sure that it never gets caught when I'm driving. But I think aesthetically overall it's pretty nice, and it's a durable rubber type material, and it's moisture resistant, which is really good. I also cut out an area here for this midway area. I was thinking between putting more laminate or putting this, and I figured this would be better because it's a lot of just stuff in and out. And it's a comfy mat too, so if you lay stuff on there, if someone sits there, then you're all set.
I'm leaving home for the coastline.
It only cost me $15.89 and like 2 hours of my time to make the mats.
'Cause now I'm moving on, yeah, I'm moving on.